quick breakdown of that one. So this part, I'm just sliding in to the 7th fret from the 5th fret on the 5th string, and then playing the 2nd fret on the 4th string. Then you do that one more time and start climbing. So that climb starting from the 2nd fret on the 4th string is, then you play the 4th fret, 5th fret, and then 1, 2, 3 on the 3rd string, and then open on the 2nd. So all together. That brings us to this part. So that's just sliding from 1 to 2 on the 2nd string, and then playing open on the 1st string. You play the 1st string twice the last time you do that. And that brings us to this part. So that's a pull off from 2 to open on the 1st string. And then I'm doing this really quick hammer on from 2 to 3 on the 1st string. And then that little bit is a hammer on pull off sequence. Starting on the 2nd fret, you hammer onto the 3rd, pull off to the 2nd, and then pull off to open. And then you do a pull off from 2 to open on the 2nd string, and then open on the 1st string. Then you play the 1st string one more time, and then you do this pull off from 3 to 2 to open on the 2nd string, and then you play the 3rd fret on the 3rd string. Alright, and then we're getting towards the end. So that's next part. So it's 4, 3, 2. Play it staccato like that. Then you do a bend and release on the 4th fret of the 4th string, and then 2nd fret, same string. You do the exact same thing on the 5th string, and then you do the same thing on the 6th string, but you do it on the 2nd fret, and then you play open. And I think the last little part is sliding from 2 to 4 on the 6th string, and then playing open on strings 1 and 2. You're going to make sure you avoid that 3rd string, unlike what I did there. It's going to sound pretty bad. Or you could just play an E chord. That'll do. Alright, so I'll just do the whole thing slowly, just so you can see what's going on and how it all fits together.